and Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Welcome back to another episode of Elegant Inspiration and Amazing Jewelry Ideas. In today's video, it's all about a celestial union. That is basically a rare and a radiant combination of sunstone and moonstone in necklace design. Yes, guys, you heard it right. When the glowing warmth of the sun meets the eternal light of the moonstone, something truly magical happens, and that magic reflects beautifully in handcrafted artistic necklaces that blend those pieces, those two stones together. So let's begin our journey into the world of shimmering balance, where fire and calm, where light and mystery meet in perfect harmony. So let's get started. Let's talk about a sunstone first. A gemstone as bold and brilliant as its name suggests. Sunstone is known for its golden reddish orange hues with tiny reflective inclusions that create a glittering effect known as aventurance. It captures the warmth and brilliance of the sun itself. The stone often reflects tones of copper, amber, and gold, giving it a glowing, almost a fairy presence. Spiritually, sunstone is believed to be a stone of leadership, confidence, and vitality. It promotes a personal power and a sense of independence. It's known to lift moods, spark enthusiasm, and bring joy like a personal beam of sunlight resting right on your skin. In jewelry, sunstone adds a radiant energy. It stands out beautifully in both minimalist setting with and bold, chunky statement pieces. When light hits a polished sunstone, it seems to come alive, making every design feel unique and full of life. It's time to talk about Moonstone. Shift our gaze to Moonstone, a gem as soft and as mysterious as moonlight. Moonstone typically appears in shades of white, a peach, a gray, and even rainbow. But its most iconic trait is the adolescence. That gentle, glowing shimmer that moves across the stone like the light of the full moon. Moonstone has long been cherished for its feminine energy, emotional healing, and calming aura. It's considered a gem of intuition, new beginnings, and deep inner reflection. It brings a dreamy, mystical softness to jewelry, which is why it's often used in vintage style and boho designs. Whether used as a polished cabochon or in faceted bead form, Moonstone offers subtle magic. Its amazing glow complements nearly any outfit, especially when paired with gold or rose gold settings. now discuss there a celestial love story between both stones. Now imagine this, the golden sparkle of sunstone intertwined with the soft glowing sheen of moonstone. One represents fire and light, the other symbolizes water and calm. Together they create an exquisite harmony of contrast and balance. This combination is perfect for those who want jewelry that feels both grounding and uplifting. It's a union of masculine and feminine energies, making it a powerful statement for wholeness and self expression. Visually, the warm oranges of and gold of sunstone highlight the enhances the cool whites and blues of moonstone, resulting in a necklace that looks almost celestial, like sunlight reflected on the ocean at dusk. Designers love to play with textures and shapes when working with this combo: smooth round beads, organic nuggets, and delicate shapes or teardrop pendants all bring out different personalities of this pairing. This unique pairing can be styled for various occasions, like casual day wear. Choose smaller beads in neutral tones for light and earthy looks. And for workplace elegance, a sunstone and moonstone pendant necklace adds a quiet charm to office wear. And for evening events, go for large statement pieces with higher shimmer and shine. The glow of moonstone under lights and the glimmer of sunstone in movement creates pure visual drama. And for festivals or cultural event, try traditional Eastern dresses with celestial inspired necklaces for a spiritual and some elevated look. And for gifting, since these stones symbolize joy and intuition, they make excellent gifts for milestones, birthdays, and some anniversaries of special persons. Beyond their physical beauty, these stones carry a deeper symbolism when paired together. Sunstone energizes, motivates, and brings action. Moonstone soothes, guides, and nourishes emotions. Together, they represent the perfect yin and yang, a symbol of unity and completeness. Wearing them can enhance one's emotional clarity and mental strength, making it not just a jewelry but a spiritual accessory as well. That's all for today's episode. I hope you like it. Do subscribe the channel and share your thoughts.